Popular Nigerian social media influencer Martins Vincent Otse, better known as VeryDarkMan (VDM), has been detained by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), according to his lawyer Deji Adeyanju confirmed the detention in a Facebook post on Friday evening, alleging that VDM was arrested following his public criticism of Guaranteed Trust Bank (GTB) over allegation of unauthorized transactions on his mother's account. In a further update, Adeyanju revealed that a team of lawyers from his firm, led by Marvin Omorebe, met with a friend of VDM who was detained alongside him. VDM refused to come out of the cell that he won't see anyone. VDM was locked inside GTB exit door for over 5 minutes to enable EFCC to arrest him and his friend. "We'll be taking legal actions against GTB for the inhuman treatment meted out to our client," he posted. Adeyanju further disclosed that his legal team had already located the detained activist and were working to secure his release. VeryDarkMan, known for his bold commentary and frequent criticism of Nigerian elite, has long been a thorn in the side of powerful figures, expressing his thoughts and making criticisms. The exact charges or reason for the arrest remain unclear at the time of filing this report, but this marks yet another chapter in what observers see as a pattern of silencing dissenting voices using security and anti-corruption agencies. What's your thoughts regarding VeryDarkMan's arrest and detention? We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos as this story unfolds. Keep watching Naija News TV.